everyone! Всем привет! Welcome to my haunted kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing pizza mummies. They're so good, they taste incredible, and also they look fun. They're perfect to serve at a Halloween party or if you just want to have fun and be a bit more creative in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So take your pepper, you can use any other veggies you want, and cut it in half and then quarters, and then we're going to chop it up into small nice bite-sized pieces that are going to go inside our pizza. Next I'm rolling out my puff pastry, and this is a store-bought. It takes way too long to make a homemade, but if you have time you can definitely use the homemade version. So you want to roll it out and then using a cookie ring cut out mini circles around the sheet. I have got 12 pizzas out of one sheet. I had to stretch it out a little bit, but pretty much it's quite a lot. Now we're just going to take off any excess dough, and I'm actually going to reuse this dough as the mummy stripes. So put this aside. Now we're going to put some tomato paste on each circle and spread it around with a spoon. This will be our tomato base, and you want to do that with the rest of your mini pizzas. I'm only using about a teaspoon of tomato paste on each, so you don't really need a lot. Then I'm going to add mayonnaise. I love pizza with mayo. You don't have to do this. So we add a little blob of that on top of each pizza, along with some barbecue sauce, and spread it around and do the same with all of the little pizzas. Now I'm adding my diced red pepper, just a little bit inside. This should be enough for all the 12 pizzas. And then I'm adding some salami. Feel free to add whatever toppings that you usually like on a pizza. Once my salami has been added, I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. You want to kind of add the blob of cheese, squash it down, and there we go, it's all done. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Now take the rest of your dough and put a bit of flour on it and roll it out. You want to make sure the dough is not sticky. And then we're going to cut out little stripes along the dough. It doesn't matter what sizes they are, as we're going to adjust them to our pizzas, as long as they're not too thin or too thick. So you want to do that with the rest of the pastry, and I actually have used all of it, so don't throw any away. And then you want to take each stripe and sort of just go around each circle, press down and make sure it sticks to both sides. I'll show you exactly how to do it. You can go in different patterns from all the sides. You don't have to have all the mummies that look the same, but if you wanted to, you can as well. So you literally just put the stripe, press it down from both sides so it kind of glues to the other pastry, and then just go around with other stripes in any way that you like. We are going to bake these for about 25 to 35 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Once you start to smell the pastry, it's going to be nice and done and crispy. While our pizzas are baking, we're going to make the little eyes. So I'm using a piping tip with a small round, and I'm cutting little circles from the cheese. And then I'm also using some edible cake pans, and I'm going to put the little eye inside so you can see that these are eyeballs. Once your pizzas are done, you want to leave them to cool down for a little bit, and then you're going to attach your eyes onto each mummy. And trust me, once you put the eyes on, they look fantastic. They really quickly they change from a pizza to a mummy, which is incredible. And I personally think they look so adorable. I'm not even talking about how tasty they are. So these were gone really, really quickly, and I hope you try this recipe. It's very, very soft, very delicious inside. Thank you so much for watching.